Hey parents, know your rights. Individuals with Disabilities Act, acronym IDEA. This is a procedural safeguard or parents' rights. One, parents' participation, provided at the public expense under public supervision and direction without charge. Meet the standards of the state board, include appropriate preschool, elementary, middle, or secondary education. Definition of a parent. A parent is defined as a natural biological parent, adoptive parent, persons acting as a parent, legal guardian, appointed education advocate, or a foster parent. These are all people involved in the student's life. 3. Parents' rights in special education notice. There are meetings that happen once a year. Parents can either refer or have an initial invitation. First, formal complaint, disciplinary removal from schools upon parents' request. Prior written notice. Provide parents with notice within a reasonable amount of time before meetings, identification, evaluation, and educational placement, FAPE. 5. Parent consent. Parents have been fully informed. Parents understand and agree with what is going on. Parents understand that their grant is voluntary and may be revoked. Parents' consent required but not provided. If parents do not attend, the parent's consent can be revoked. Notice of an IEP meeting. Parents must be informed about the following: the purpose, date, time, location, people involved, individuals invited with expertise, indicate the purpose of the meeting, and the school invites anyone necessary. Educational advocates. Assigning an educational advocate is key. Local education agencies' responsibilities, Department for Children and Families responsibilities, and Department of Correction responsibilities. These are people who advocate for children. Student rights at age 18. At age 18, students become their own educational decision makers. Parents then play a limited role in the student's education. School responsibilities. These are general thoughts but important. 1. Receive timely, clear communication from the school to parents. Information about curriculum, teaching methods, test scores, classroom schedules. Provide a safe learning environment free from physical, emotional, or psychological harm. Transparency with all members. Advocate for children without fear of repercussions. Access to teachers, staff, principals, administration, and resolve problems in a timely manner. Parents' responsibilities. Send children to school well rested and ready to learn. Ensure their child is at school regularly and on time. Be aware of the progress or problems of students' learning. Adhere to all policies and regulations for the learning environment. Enter, exit, treat the building in a respectable manner. Update the school with emergency contact information. And here are my references.